All right, guys, we're here at CrossFit WOD Wars, and we're gonna see who can pop our lenses into these Oakley Holbrooks. WOD Wars!
Cause I'm about that.
Calling all CrossFitters. We need CrossFitters. I need some help popping these lenses in. Have you ever popped lenses in before?
I have not.
Are we doing this for time?
I think we should, right? All right, so let me hand you those. Here's the left lens. Oh, they're gonna do burpees too while this is happening.
Good.
Oh, there's one, all right.
Easy as pie.
Wait, one?
Oh, wow. You know, I wouldn't think that I'd be able to do this. I would think that I would be a type of guy to kind of break these things, but this is incredibly simple.
Just clean them off a little bit and maybe put them on. Tell me what they look like looking out.
Way better than the ones I have on.
Oh, nice. Yeah, real crisp, clear.
Wow. Beautiful. I like them.
How was it putting them in?
Really easy, really easy.
You feel like you could do it yourself at home?
Absolutely. I think a 3-year-old can do this.
Well, let's go find a 3-year-old.
Easy, really easy.
Did you expect it to be that easy?
No, I expected to break them. Easy, easy peasy.
I mean, they look good, right?
Yeah, they look good on you.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them. Are you gonna bring them home?
I'm not gonna argue with him if he's gonna take my frames. I don't wanna mess with this dude, so. All right, guys, we're going in the summer. If you got some frames sitting in your truck, your glove box, your boat, on the counter, and they haven't been used forever because you got horrible scratches in them, don't go in the summer looking like a goon. Check us out at fuselenses.com. We'll send you some fresh lenses. Pop them in yourself. It's that easy. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go check out the rest of this competition. So I'll catch you on the flip side.